Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRNX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, some updates here need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is just get that line out of there. Sure, it pertains, just not relevant. And I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere, so I want to try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first update does come about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And that's essentially what played out here today. You can see that 50 cents wasn't level of support, but with the gap down here, because the price opened up essentially right below it, you would expect it to act as resistance, and that is the level that did indeed act as resistance this morning. And then I guess I'm probably stretching here a little bit. I was going to say it got rejected by it this afternoon, but yeah, there's still quite a bit of a distance between there. But the point here being that this level, that you could throw this right into a textbook in terms of support now acting as resistance. But that doesn't mean that this level can never ever be broken. I'm just saying it makes sense now why that 49.50 cent area, is kind of being a little bit stubborn there, because that just goes back to just good old-fashioned technical analysis 101 type rule. So 50 cents, like I said, going to be that key near-term level of resistance. As far as supports are concerned, the buyers made themselves pretty apparent right here in the very short term that 46 cents is where people stepped in. You can see that actually makes good sense too. You look back here, that was a former area of resistance. So on the other rules out there, when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, and it did indeed act as the support right there. In the event this 46 cent mark cannot hold, while there is no such thing as a guarantee, it wouldn't be shocking at all to see the price then drift down and test the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. But I don't want to get too far ahead of myself, because as of right now, like I said, full credits due. 46 cents is doing a great job of holding. But if that doesn't hold up, then while not a guarantee, it also would not be very shocking at all to see the price potentially drift down to right around that 41 cent area, which is the current value of that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. All in all, though, from the big picture point of view, the price still has plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher low, and that's what you want to see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.